Sigatoni, Osoli no Corporate Dope, Ososa Parigak and one letter. Unless the Paka Soroti City Council, Imoy, Naya may ask its name, never again Soroti.
Don't have passport papers. You're welcome to Soroti City Council. Tomorrow, 18th to 19th. Only.
No sleep! No correction! No sleep! Say oye! 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 No sleep! No sleep!
The media. Alors, what? Of course, it is special. Where did they arrange it?
It was given to them.
Yeah. Given to them by the council. Okay, now.
It was not here originally. No. After the construction of the market. That's when they broke it. Okay.
Members, thank you, because if I pray,
What time for Madam?
I moved with the Vice President of the Fellowship.
In fact, he says, when we entered there, we had the money. We wanted to pay, but nobody came. Now we came afterwards. All these are from you will say something, but remember, your issues are all about.
Because I knew him, he used to call me telling me problems of Soroti and so on. I told him, can you arrive tomorrow? Very early in the morning. He told him even at night if it is saying that he arrived at night. At 6 a.m. I called him, he told me, well, she want to come and talk to you. Yeah. But because we had not that voice, we couldn't see him. So I'm here. Amanya Mchala Kimuli Faridah, Senior Presidential Advisor, Mubutare mu Uganda. Tuli Soroti olwaleero naye ng'ensonga etulese Soroti okulaba ebizibu abasuubuzi bye bayita mu butale n'okusensitizinga okusomesa government programs. Muzeeyi yagambye nti nekisanja no sleep. Tuli wano tutandise okukola omulimu. Katale oni ono abantu abamu bali balekera emabega b'obutale. PDM yajja ate nga bagamba PDM olina okuba nti woosula bw'ofunire ssente ze ate nga b'obutale oluusi weesanga nga 24 hours basangibwa bali mu katale ng'abamu tebasobola kuddayo kakubakolera amabaluwa. Pulezidenti n'asalawo n'agamba nti n'ab'obutale babawe puroguramu yaabwe n'agiyita Katale. Katale loan egenda kusatulatinga mu Uganda yonna naye nga waliwo obutale 6 obwasookerwako bwe bagenda okukolako nga pilot project naye nensanze nga ne Soroti naye mweri mu butale obugenda okukolebwako ku pilot project okugezesa. Tuli Soroti abantu bonna mbakubiriza okuba nti beewandiisa bate beewale abantu abayinza bayingiramu okubabba nti leetayo kasente nku registering leetayo kasente nkuwe nti ate leeta ku ssimu yange bwe bazikuwa bwe tuzizzayo amangu nga ziyise ku ssimu yange baddamu ne bakuwa mangu ne zidabolinga abafere gye bali abeetegese bonna tugenda bakwata kino ekisanja nosiriivu. Tubadde tukubiriza abesoroti ab'obutale obulala bwonna gye tujja kuba kati ŋŋendalire mbasaba mu registering ng'olina omudaala gwo okolera mu katale gavumenti yakuwandiisa olina okubeera ne national ID okusobola okufuna sente zino. Mulina okubeera mu groups z'abantu 10 5 ku 10 nga mwemanyi era nga chairman wa department yammwe yagenda okukusayingira ebbaluwa kwofunira sente zino zijja ku ssimu. Ekyaleese ekyo president era kwewola association z'abadde awa sente miliyoni 5 aba waggulu ba group leaders ne bazimba ku bannaabwe. Sente zigenda kujja ku ssimu direct gwe nanyini ssimu n'aba microfinance center bwe bagenda okuba nga bakolagana ne sente zino bw'ozifuna ku ssimu era oziddizaayo ku ssimu osasulira ku ssimu. Project eyo neba njja kwanguyira ab'obutale mu Uganda yonna. Omuntu asookerwako ajja kufuna emitwalo 5 sente ezaali zakuba mitwalo 5 naye bwe twakomplainingako wa president n'agamba batwongere sente ate zitandikire ku mitwalo 5 okutuuka ku miliyoni nga 2 era bagenda kuba babalambula buli omu ekifo nga balaba bizinesi yo ejyamu akakadde ejyamu 5 ejyamu 2 bwe nabadde ejjinja mu katale ne bagamba affe batutandikize na ku 2 obwavu butukola ki obwavu bututta so kinasinziira babbanka engeri gye bagenda okutegekeramu abantu bano naye nga budget bwe yawedde okufuna ne sente zigenda kufuma obutale mwenna gye muli mweyongere kwetegeka nga bwe baba bakuggyako erinnya lyo n'essaako yo ogenda kufunirawo sente ku mulundi guno. These government funds you have to be with a national ID. You have already used your national ID in PDM. Clear that money very fast if you want to join Katale loan. Because you won't have a loan on your national ID and you get another loan using the same national ID. Clear?
Yes.
Another question.
I am in a Mioga. I got a loan in a Mioga and I am paying it. But Katale has come. I'm also registered. Will I be eligible to get that money?
You will be eligible to get that money because the Mioga is so different from PDM and the Katale loan. I'm not sure, but with my understanding, a Mioga. Yeah, it is microfinance support center. First finish that loan of a Mioga again like PDM, then you come and settle with us.
Okay. Then again, I also have in Centenary. I have a running loan in Centenary.
The assistant atandise for Soroti City. Now, today's visit, as Soroti, we received the team from Office of the Senior Presidential Advisor on the market, who are on their routine checkups. Particularly, they are here on the issue of Katale loans. It is a government project that all markets in Uganda are supposed to benefit from. So Soroti has been selected as a pilot market that will be benefiting from this project of a Katale loan very soon. With the coming of the president of the Federation of Uganda Market Vendors Associations and also the Senior Presidential Advisor on Markets, Soroti City Central Market is really very ready and now very hopeful that money will come. When you look around, the vendors here are very busy and very committed. All they are waiting for now is for this additional capital to add on to their businesses. They will boost their economy. They will now be able to meet most of the demands that they have been having gaps on. Because once this money starts coming, every vendor is expected to benefit from 500 to 2 million shillings, depending on the sizes of their businesses. However, when I look at our vendors in this market, a number of them will really get the money, and I'm very much sure that after some few days, the situation will be very different. So I want to call upon the vendors who will be getting these monies to put money into proper use, because government is having a number of projects, beginning with the Myoga, PDM, and many others. This one is just one of them, one among the very many projects that the government has put into place. But the Katale loans in particular will have to boost the vendors. And I'm so much happy, Madam, thank you so much for coming. We want to welcome you back again. According to the guidelines of these Katale loans, people are supposed to benefit according to groups, meaning people will have to form themselves into a group of between 5 to 10. So it's going to be very easy to manage, because money will be channeled directly to their phones. It will not be like other programs where we get leaders getting the monies and they take off. This one here, there is direct access to the monies by the vendors themselves.
Again, Helen Odeke. I am a Vice Chairperson, Textile and Tailoring. I also want to appreciate His Excellency, the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta, for having brought for us this initiative of bringing for us the Katale loan. Reason why I am happy is that Grow loan came here, for us as vendors, we never got it. Now that the Katale loan has come, I'm sure we are going to receive this money, and we welcome the initiative very well. And we want to thank him so much, because where we are heading, it is quite hard for us to get what? Get money. But now that the president has come in to give us the Katale loan, we want to thank him and appreciate him. How I wish, I'm also calling upon the town clerk to give us our office as market vendors and the boardroom where we are going to handle these issues of the Katale loans, because now this requires the office where we are going to work hand in hand with the city council and the government as well. So thank you very much. I'm once again Helen Odeke.
My name is Kimuli Faridah, Senior Presidential Advisor for Markets Uganda. I'm here right now in Soroti Market, Central Market by the way. I came to visit this market because I want these people to know that there is a loan that the government prepared for us. His Excellency said this Sanja is no sleep. Chisanja no sleep. If it is Sanja no sleep, I had to visit some of the markets. I came from Jinja to Dam, here I'm going to Lira. Why? Because we have a loan that people didn't know. If they knew, they don't know what is supposed to be done. You people of Soroti, you're lucky. I've moved around your market, you have access to your market. You have a daycare. I've moved to other markets. The daycares are stores. So you people, thank you for managing this place properly. About Katale loan. Katale loan was brought for only market vendors who own spaces and lockups in the market. And if you want to get that Katale loan, you have to be in a group of 5 to 10 people. Make an association. After making that, get your national ID in your names. You have to be with a phone in your names. That phone must be reading your name, which is on the national ID. After that, there are some people from the finance who will be coming to visit your stores or your lockup to see how much you will have. But before all that, His Excellency gave us 500,000 to start with, up to 2 million of Katale loan. You'll be paying back after one month, but with a very small interest. This Katale loan is going to go over all markets of Uganda. We are starting with a pilot project, and Soroti is one of the pilot projects. So you people, you're lucky. You have to clap.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for having Soroti being one of the pilot projects in Katale loan. You people, after this budget, you are expected to get this money as soon as possible. What I've got to know that these people are over ready. They have their files done. They have everything done. They just need those people from the finance to come and see what type of work, what type of things you're selling, and they grade you according to what you sell. We are here to thank the government for coming up with this loan, and we are here crying to those people who are preparing for these people down here to be at least speedy. They have waited for a long time. They are over ready. Please come quickly to Soroti Market. Is over ready.
We are ready.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Thank you.